Hey Chris, good morning. It's Rich from Fleming's Ultimate Garage. We're working a little early today, getting cars out. We have a lot of deliveries to do, but I got the Chevelle out. I want to do a little quick walk around for you. Get to see it, hear it, and we'll dig it there. So we got it back from our detail shop. Car is absolutely stunning. It's got tilt wheel, 4-speed, gauge package, Sirius XM. We're going to tuck some of those things up and out of the way. Bucket seats. Watch this. You don't even have to slam it. The gaps in this car, and a little dirt, which we'll take care of. Cow inducted hood. So I wanted to give you this little quick vid, and let me know your thoughts.